Hello everyone. So if you remember in our previous videos I talked about that is if you are looking for some mu value plus minus the sigma, if you are looking for mu value plus minus 2 sigma, and then if you are looking for mu value plus minus 3 sigma, and I gave you the values which were essentially the area. So if you remember, this one was the area of it, and similarly this one was just area, but area in terms of the percentage, it covers the 68% of the whole area. So this, if this one is 100%, this one is 68.26%, 95, and then 99.73%. But the but we have a small problem. Say that I am not looking the area from 1 sigma to 2 sigma, but I'm looking for the area from here to here. Okay, this range of area. So how much is it? So how can I find it? That is a problem that we now try to address it, and we will solve it by in Excel. So let me just put it. So we will solve this a problem in Excel. So what we are essentially trying to find the area here. I mean the percent. Okay, I want to know how many percent of my data, how many percent of my product diameter or any measurement lies in this range. So that is what we are going to use, that is we will use Excel for. So the function in Excel for this one is the norm, and this, so I may be wrong for the, but this is the just function name. Maybe there is one additional letter or not. This is the function name. So what does this function to do? So the function in Excel, this one calculates the area. Calculates the area of this curve. It starts from the negative infinity to the point that you specify. If you say, for example, 21, it will calculate the area from negative infinity to 21. It will calculate this area. Okay, this function you say. Or if you say 22, the Excel will try to calculate the area from negative infinity to 22. Okay, this is how the Excel function works. So let me give you one example. Actually, I will give you two examples. The first one is, so I will say that the norm and then this function, and then I will use the 22, and then there is the mean, and there is standard deviation, and here you always put true. So what it means is that the mean value is the mean value that you specify. Here it is 23, as you can see, and the standard deviation is here, it is 1. So 22 means that calculate the area of a normal distribution with a mean value of 23, standard deviation of 1, from negative infinity to the 22. So what it means is that the Excel will try to find the area of this part. Okay, this is the first one. But what if you are looking for the area that is in the range? So say that you are looking for area from this point to that point. What if you are looking for to find the area in that part? So now you will say that example 2. So you will say that the normal distribution, find the area till 25 with a mean value of something, with standard deviation of something, and take the cumulative. This one will be always true, and then you can ignore it, minus the normal distribution again. So now you will put 24, and then the mean value, and then standard deviation, and then true. Okay, so what Excel will do, that it will firstly calculate the area till 25, from negative infinity to 25. It will take whole area. Then it will calculate the area till 24, so from the negative infinity to 24, and then minus whatever left is will be this gap here. This is how we are going to use Excel in our case. So be careful here, and then this will be the essence of our problems in the next stage. Thank you.